Dear friends, welcome to Sukumar Tutorials. Today we are going to talk about the topography. Topography is the relief of the Earth's surface. Relief shows the differences in elevation in the form of mountains, plateaus, hill, plains, valleys, etc. Mountain and hill slopes are not uniform everywhere. Some places it is steep, some places it is gentle, some places the slopes are concave, and some places the slopes are convex. Where from we can get the contour map? You can get the contours from the topographic maps. The topographic maps are available in 3 different scale, and it is produced by the Survey of India. The scale is 1:50,000, 1:25,000, and 1:250,000. In 50,000 scale, the contours are shown in 20 meters interval. In 25,000 scale, contours are shown in 10-meter interval. According to your preference, purpose, you have to digitize contours from the topographic maps. Is it possible to get the contours from any other source? Yes, it is possible to get contours from digital elevation data. Is it possible to get digital data? Yes, it is possible. Is it possible to use QGIS to generate contours? Yes, it is possible. Let us see the procedure to get the contour maps from the QGIS. All you need is the digital elevation data and the software. You can download freely digital elevation data from the internet. See, this is one view. When I talk about the topography, whatever you see the light green colors are plain areas. It is gradually, the heights are increasing towards the mountainous area, the side slopes, which is all highly dissected. You can see the topographic variation. This is a topography. Some places is very high, some places it is very low. Let us see in another view. See, this is an area where you can see a ridge. Here also you can see group of hills and ridges. See, it's low area. This is a dark blue color is the low elevation area. Gradually the height is increasing towards this side. Similarly, you have a valley here. Slowly the height is increasing. So this ridge here, it's undulating topography here, and then it just goes gradually, and then you can see small hillocks, hills, mountains. So this is how you can see the topography of any area, in a hilly area or in a plain area, anywhere in the world. You can see the topography like this. This is an example how the topography can be represented, for which you need contour map. From the contours, you can infer the features. You can see whether it is a plateau area or a mountainous area, hill or a plain, valley area. For example, here, this is a 100-meter contour. You can see that valley is coming here. See, this is a valley area. Here also you got number of small valleys, and then this is a very big valley. On either side you got a mountain ridge, hills, and then here the wide contours represent gentle slope. When you come towards this side, the contours are very close. It shows different relief features. You can see here it is slightly exaggerated, vertically exaggerated picture. See the same picture you are seeing. This is a valley area. The contours are superimposed this picture, and then you can see the valley portion. And then when you come here, it is gradually the steepness is increasing, the contour interval also increasing. When you come down towards this side, the contour intervals are wide. So this is how the relief pattern can be studied, for which we need digital elevation data. I told you, yes, it is possible to download from internet free of cost. So you can go to shuttle radar topographic mission, that is called SRTM data. This is one kind of data, digital elevation data, it's available. Another data is advanced spacebound thermal emission and reflection radiometer, that is called ASTER data, that is also available. The SRTM data is available in 90-meter resolution. ASTER data is available in 30-meter resolution. Cartosat digital elevation model, that is Indian Carto satellite imagery, also produce digital elevation data that is available, that is called CartoDem. It has got a 30-meter resolution. So the data can be downloaded free from the following sites. This is a site from where you can get SRTM data: earthexplorer.usgs.gov. AstroDem data, this is a link I have given. You can type it in the internet and then you can download the data. This is a CartoDem from the Bowen site, that is NRSC, National Remote Sensing Center. From there you can just download any part of India's digital elevation data. When you download, it will appear like this. It will be in gray color. In order to show the relief variation, I have shown dark red to light green color. Whatever you see in light green color is the plain area. Gradually the height is increased towards left hand side. So you can see the hills. Earlier you have seen same area. This is the elevation data when you download. This is a still lower elevations area. From this digital elevation data, using QGIS, I derived contours. The contours indicate different relief features like hills, mountains, valleys, and ridges, and different types of things. According to the shape of the contour and the interval of the contour, you can make relief features. You can also make a cross section and study about it. See, the red color thing is, I have taken Coimbatore and its surrounding areas. This is the Marudhamala area. This is the Coimbatore metropolitan city boundary. Here I derived the 100-meter contour. See, this 100-meter contour is running here. Another 100-meter is going there. And then all the contours intervals are 100 meters height. Same area, I have taken 50 meters contours. I derived it. You can see the difference. Earlier in the Coimbatore area, you had only one contour was running. In the second map, you got in the upper area, two contours are there. There is a 50 meter. When you make 20 meters, this is another contour map. I made it. You can see the Coimbatore area and surrounding area, 20 meters interval contours are derived. Then again, 10 meters interval contours derived for the same area. See, you can see that steepness of the contours. Contour intervals are very close. It is very steep area. It is gradually decreasing towards the right hand side. This is another view where 5 meters contours are derived from the same data. So this is how you can derive contour map from SRTM or ASTER or CartoDem, and then you can use the QGIS and then derive the contour map. How we can derive the contour, we will see in the second part. Now I have given the introduction for the DEM. So far we have seen the basics of QGIS. Now we are going to see how we can derive the contour map, how we can make use of the contour map for different purposes. That I will show it in the second part of my lecture video. I think this video is very interesting for you. If it is interesting, you please subscribe my channel because a lot of applications are going to come. So subscribe it, share it with your friends, and then like it. Thank you so much.